Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Sensei. May you enjoy your day. May God bless you always. And I wish you all the best, Kuya. And may you have a good health. And di ko na alam sasabihin ko. Basta happy birthday na, Kuya.
Gumawa ako ng sulat para hindi ko makalimutan kung ano yung sasabihin ko. A birthday greetings to our head admin. Thank you for being a good leader to us. Messages and wishes can express the amount of good heart you have. I'm so blessed and thankful for being one of your co-officers. May you continue life happily, healthy. Never change for being a joker to us. Our life full of change. But for being a friend and co-officer, never change. Happy birthday po, Daddy Sensei. God bless you and enjoy your special day. And we always take care especially at work. We love you. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Utol. Sana maging masaya ka sa araw ng iyong birthday. Mag-iingat ka lagi. At sana marami pang birthday na darating sa buhay mo. At sana maging masaya ka sa araw ng iyong birthday. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Love you, Utol.
Magandang hapon sa lahat sa GDF fam natin. Lalo na sa ating birthday boy na si Daddy Sensei, our head admin dito sa GDF fam, no? Salamat sa mga ideas na binigay mo sa amin, ang instructions mo na ginawa, tsaka sa mga paggawa mo namin sa aming avatars, no? Lalo na sa kapag may PK kami. Salamat talaga, no? And then happy birthday to you. Wish you more good health, good luck, more birthdays to come, and enjoy your day, no? Enjoy your day with your family, with your friends, at sa lahat-lahat na nagmamahal sa iyo. Ingat ka parati and God bless, Boss Sensei.
Magandang hapon, happy birthday, Sensei. Naway marami pang birthday ipagkaloob sa iyo ang ating puong may kapal. Naway lagi kanyang gabayan sa inyong pagpasok. Good health, no? Palagi ang kalusugan ay laging mahalaga sa atin sa araw-araw, no? Sana mag-enjoy ka sa iyong birthday, no? Laban lang tayo sa Golden Dragon Farm. Thank you.
Hello, Daddy Sensei. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day and your family. Mag-enjoy ka ngayon dahil birthday mo. At magbigay ng saya sa ating family. Wala na akong masasabi dahil alam ko na mabuti kang tao. Kaya enjoy your day, Daddy Sensei. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy. Bye-bye.
Hi, good morning guys. Good morning GDF. How are you doing guys? Hey Sensei. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. Wish na magpahain ka. Magpahain ka ng beans ha. Bakla. Baka naman. 1K beans. Baka naman. Charot. G lang. Pero happy birthday. More birthday to come. Wish you more birthday to come. Escape it up. We love you. Pakain ka na.
Good morning po sa inyo lahat ng nasa video family po. At syempre sa ating birthday boy, happy birthday sa Wismi. Wish ko na ang buhay sa inyong kalamay, sa inyong kalamdaman, sa inyong buhay. Bigyan ka kami Lord ng maraming birthday. God bless and more to come. Happy birthday.
Hi, Daddy Cincy. Good morning. Happy birthday. I hope you have more birthdays to come and more candles to blow. And enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hello, Daddy Sensei. Happy birthday. Bro, more blessing pang dumating sa'yo and more birthday to comes pa. So, ayan, good luck sa mga goal mo. Ingat palagi and God bless. Happy birthday, Boss Sensei.
Boss Joker, happy birthday. Thank you for being a good friend since day one. And, happy love life. Lagaan mo si Beb.
So, ayun po sa Daddy Sensei namin dito sa GDF family. Happy birthday po sa iyo and sana po ay mag-enjoy kayo ngayong araw ng birthday niyo po and sana po ay alagaan niyo po yung sarili niyo para din po kayo mamasay. And ayun lamang po, ayun, happy birthday po sa iyo.
Hi, Daddy Sensei! Happy birthday! Oh my God, malaki ka na. Happy birthday and wish you all the best. More blessings to come and enjoy your beautiful day. Happy birthday!
Hi, Daddy Sensei. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Sana marami pa rin yung birthday na dapating sa buhay mo. Sana hindi lang din huling birthday mo. Maraming salamat kasi basta salamat at para decision basta yung nag-enough ka. Happy birthday. Sana mabuhay ka pa na matagal at sana hindi ka pa kuhain ng ragams pa. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Di Sensei. Happy birthday po. Happy birthday po.
Birthday po, Daddy Sensei. Enjoy your day. And I love you.
Hello, happy birthday, Daddy Sensei. I hope all your wishes and dreams come true. May this year brings joy and endless happiness. Enjoy your day and wishing you another wonderful years of happiness and joy again. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Unang-una sa lahat, happy birthday, Daddy Sensei. Thank you sa paggabay lagi sa amin ni Baby Yani. Thank you sa mga aral na tinuturo mo and enjoy lang. Stay strong lang tayo palagi. Love namin kayo ni Mami and ayun, enjoy your day, Di. We love you. Love you palagi. Mama, chuchupin, mga tayoin.
Hi, Head Admin. My partner ko. Today is your special day. Today is your born day. Wishing you a lot of happiness, full of bless and more candle to blow. And happy birthday to you. Stay what you are and be a good always. You're my best enemy and you're my partner in crime. I'm thankful to have you because you're the one who changed my life. And I appreciate all your efforts and for always surprising me all the time, of course, especially your love that you give to me. So I may not be a perfect partner because minsan is nagiging pasaway ako sa asawa, and I promise I'll do my best for being a good. Thank you for everything kasi nandyan ka palagi para suportahan ako at kung ano yung mga gusto ko sinusuportahan mo. If I have a problem, nandyan ka din para i-guide ako at kung yung mga hindi ko alam at kung ano yung mga gagawin ko, nandyan ka palagi to guide me and to teach me how to doggy. Ba't napunta sa doggy? Hindi, joke lang. Nandyan ka para magbigay ng ideya. Kasi nga, you're my teacher. By the way, yun lang naman ang sasabihin ko kasi alam mo naman asawa kung gaano ka-importante sa buhay ko at ka-importante ako sa buhay mo. Kaya nga, naging baliw na tayo eh. By the way, I want to say, akin ka lang, sa'yo lang ako, promise. Diba, this is our motto. I love you, asawa, and stay strong lang tayo palagi. 5 months of love. So, ayan. Happy birthday and I love you so much.
Hello, baby sensei. Hello, nak. Happy birthday. Pasensya na pinahuli ko yung sa akin kasi ngayon ko lang nagawa sa sobrang busy ko. Pero, nak, ang wish ko lang para sa birthday mo, sana gumaling ka na at wala ka nang nararamdaman ng sakit. Ipagpatuloy mo yung kabaitan mo bilang anak-anakan ko. At ipagpatuloy mo yung ugali mo na nagpapasaya palagi sa akin. At kapag broken hearted ako, nandiyan ka, nag-a-advise sa akin at nagbibigay ng saya. Pinapatawa mo ako palagi kapag may problema ako. So, thank you sa mga tulong na binigay mo at sana wag kang magbago sa ugali mo na kung sino ka noon at ano ka ngayon ay the same pa rin. Yan pa rin ang ugali mo. Ikaw pa rin ang nagbibigay ng advice sa akin kapag inaapi ako, inaaway ako, or sinasaktan ako. Nandiyan ka palagi. Happy birthday. Sana wag kang magbago at good health ka palagi, ha. Happy ka ngayon sa birthday mo at sana darating na rin na magkita na kayo ni Sai. Sana wag ka nang tuyuin, okay? Wag ka nang tuyuin at nahahawa ako sa iyo. Sige na. Happy birthday na.
I would like to greet you a very happy birthday. I am forever grateful. Enjoy this day with your family and loved ones, and may you live for 1,000 years. Happy birthday.